I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I built my Pocket 6K rig and what components I used. So here I have my pocket camera, and first we're gonna attach the camera to the cage. I went with the small rig cage because its price was reasonable and I like the simple black look and it has lots of mounting points. Let's just slide the camera in and attach it with 2 screws, one in top and one to the bottom. My memory choice was external SSD, so here's the small rig SSD holder and it screws here into these 2 small screws. And I have this 1TB T5 Samsung SSD and it just slides here and tighten up this screw. Then I'm going to attach this Manfrotto style QuickRelease plate on bottom of this cage with 2 screws. Here is the small rig's rod base plate and I'm going to attach this cam weight Manfrotto style QuickRelease bottom on it. Next I have these 10 each small rig rods and we just slide it to this base plate. Here I have Tilta's NPF plate and a rail block, so I'm gonna attach this plate to this block and slide it in. Then I'm gonna slide the camera on top of this quick release. Next I have this small rig NATO top handle, what you can attach either way to your rig, and here you have 2 screws. You can loosen those and this handle slides that you can get a better balance. I'm going to put this handle this way because my setup is little front heavy. For my monitor I'm using the FeelWorld F6 Plus, and for the monitor mount it's a small rig that swivels and tilts. Next I'm gonna attach my lens, and my go-to lens is Sigma 18-35 f1.8. Then I have this nice rig handle and the cam weights rock block with the Arri attachment. So I'm gonna screw this handle over here and then we slide this block to the rods. So last piece of the puzzle before connecting all the cables is this small rig HDMI USB clamp. We can attach it here. So the last piece is these 3 cables. So I'm using Atomos HDMI cable, USB cable and Tilta's power cable from the NPF Plate to the camera. So the camera gets the power from this Sony NPF 970 and also the monitor gets the power from the Sony NPF battery. So if you got this far, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos about the Blackmagic camera or other videos I'm gonna make, please subscribe. But yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.